Good morning, fam. Coach Nate here. I see you. You're here because you know that tight hips and tight hamstrings don't just slow you down. They weigh on your mood, your posture, your energy. And maybe no one tells you this enough, but you deserve to move through your day without pain, without tension, without that dull ache in your back or that stiffness in your stride. In the next 5 minutes, we're going to unlock hidden tension in your hips and hamstrings. Tension that's probably been there longer than you realize. One of these stretches will give your lower back instant relief. Another might stretch your hips in a way you've never felt before. And the last one, you'll wish you had done it sooner. So let's slow down so we can speed up. Let's hit the mat. If you've been sitting a lot, or you felt that pinch in your lower back or hip when you stand, the stretch might be your game changer. Start in downward dog or tabletop. Bring your right knee forward toward your right wrist. Extend your left leg back. Top of your foot down. Lower your body forward, resting on your elbows or chest. You're going to feel a deep release in your right glute, outer hip, and maybe even your lower back. I promise this stretch will release trapped tension in your glutes and piriformis, reduce lower back tightness, and open up your hip mobility. Beginners, place a pillow under your right hip for support. Advanced stretches, forward fold fully and breathe into the stretch. Your glutes and hip rotators often hold emotional stress. This is how you let go. Melt into the stretch. Try to stay completely still for 5 seconds longer than you want to. Are you clenching anywhere else? Shoulders, jaw, hands? Let them go. That just unlocked your right hip. Let's give the left side the same release. This side might feel tighter, or maybe looser. Either way, let it teach you something about how you've been holding tension. Bring your left knee forward. Extend your right leg back behind you. Ease into the pose without force. Let gravity take over. Rest your forehead on the mat or hands. You're going to feel a deep release in your left hip, possibly radiating through your lower back or thigh. I promise this pose will balance out hip tension, free up walking and squatting mechanics, and help reduce the pull on your hamstrings. Beginners use blocks or support under your hip. Advanced stretches, twist gently toward the front knee for a deeper release. Sink 1 inch lower without forcing it. Can you let go of 5% more? Can you breathe into the tightest part and not resist it? That just grounded your hips. Now let's unlock your entire back body. Let's bring blood flow back toward your brain and the length back into your legs. Stand tall, feet hip width apart. Hinge at your hips and fold forward. Let your head hang heavy. Bend your knees slightly if needed. You'll feel length in your hamstrings, stretch in your calves, and decompression in your spine. I promise the stretch will release your posterior chain, improve circulation, and relieve lower back tension built up from sitting or sleeping. Beginners, keep knees bent and rest hands on chins. Advanced stretches, grab opposite elbows and gently sway. Your hamstrings directly affect your pelvic tilt. Tightness here equals bad posture. With each breath, try to let go and drop 1 inch deeper. Can you feel the stretch more in your hamstrings or your back? Your body is telling you where to focus. That just lengthened your spine. Now let's carry that release down to the floor. Now we're slowing it down and going deeper. Not just physically, but mentally. Sit with legs extended in front of you. Flex your feet. Sit up tall. Hinge at the hips and reach for your feet or ankles. Keep your spine long, then round gently if needed. You're going to feel a deep grounding stretch in the hamstrings and lower back. I promise this will retrain your nervous system to relax in discomfort, improve flexibility, and reset your energy. Beginners, sit on a block or bend the knees. Advanced stretches, pull the belly off the thighs before reaching forward. Here's a little fun fact. This position stimulates your parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and recovery mode. Can you hold this stretch for 5 deep, full body breaths? Try and make the last one the deepest. Are you forcing the stretch or falling into it? There's a difference. Final stretch ahead. Let's give the inner thighs some love. We're finishing with softness, stillness, and a challenge to stay present in your body. Sit tall, bring the soles of your feet together. Let your knees fold open. Hold your feet or ankles. Gently hinge forward if comfortable. You're going to feel the stretch in the inner thighs, hips, and groin. I promise this move will release hidden hip tension, balance lower body flexibility, and ground you for the day ahead. Beginners, keep the heels further away. Advanced stretches, pull the heels closer, hinge deeper with a flat spine. Now here's the challenge. Sit still and tall for 5 more seconds. No movement, just breath. Can you feel more openness? That's your work paying off. You just released your hips, stretched your hamstrings, and gave your body the mobility it was craving. All in 5 focused minutes. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.